On 26 August, ex-Rukasen College Student Union body, in collaboration with ex-Rukasen College Student Union Society, jointly organized a felicitation cum awareness program to newly admitted HS first year and TDC first semester students at Rukasen College Auditorium Hall. The Felicitation cum awareness program was started from 1 p.m. onwards at Rukasen College Auditorium Hall. The program was presided by Sampri Bey and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Kiran Tokbi. Assistant Professor Dr. Harvey Ingtikat Harpi attended as the chief guest. Binut Terang, Sumit Timung Giling, ex-General Secretary of Rukasen College Student Union Society, Sachin Rongpi, ex-RCSUS, Jeevan Bey, Sarmen Hanse, Hukur Singh Teron, ex-President Secretary of RCSUB, Rohan Bey Bijoy Rongphar, ex-activist of RCSUB, present President, Vice President, Secretary of RCSUS, present President, Secretary of RCSUB attended the program and graced the event. To encourage and motivate the students for their further studies, the newly admitted students from HS first year and TDC first semester to Rukasen College were felicitated with a Kirby souvenir, boho, notepads and pens. Dr. Harvey Ingtikat Harpi, chief guest of the event, while delivering her words of encouragement to the students, spoke about the competitiveness era, advises the students to give utmost priority to education along with sports, culture and social activities. Sarpari Ingtikat Har's report from Langhin, Karbin Long Live.